Welcome to our channel. Are you struggling to screen record certain apps and only seeing a black screen? Some apps, especially banking and streaming services, block screen recording for privacy or security reasons. But with just one tool, you can bypass this restriction and start recording anything on your screen without any blackouts. All you need to do is open the Play Store and search for an app called Screenshot Touch. It's completely free and works on most Android devices. Once you've installed it, launch the app and enable the capture monitoring service. This feature is what allows the app to start recording in the background. Make sure you allow all permissions it asks for, especially the one that lets it display over other apps. Without that, it won't work properly. Now just tap Start Now, and from here you can open any restricted app, even banking apps, and the screen recording will work just like normal. No more black screen issues. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more helpful tips, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.